we've been testing out a few pull request reviewers, right? Everyone does, or at least should. And we feel that often they are very noisy and the quality isn't really up to par when it comes to the comments that it makes. So we thought to ourselves, okay, we have a bunch of data about the quality of our users' code. We know if they have coverage. We know if they have issues. We have a bunch of deterministic checks right in place. So why not use those and try to make the reviews a bit more targeted? Use that context to actually increase the quality of those reviews. And basically, that's what we did with this. We have enabled this. We have created this pull request reviewer. We are going to be releasing it today. You should be able to see it soon. And basically, well, it's a pull request reviewer, right? It will take in the information that Codacy feeds it. It will use that to do a couple of comments. It has an overview here. And I think the best way to show this is to show you a glimpse at a couple of examples. I'm sure that in the future we'll be able to show some more real usage, but for the sake of time, I went into some pull requests that we created. So this pull request here that I will not show because it actually is a feature that we worked on, adding the malicious package scanner. A quick shout out to Kendrick. He says he doesn't touch production code, but he did kickstart this. And then we had our engineering team
They did it properly.
fix the pull request. Anyways.
Can you zoom in again a little bit on it? I know where you go around my code.
Yeah, as I was saying, for example, this one had an interesting comment here about, hey, you are adding into memory the new database, which has the malicious packages. This can increase container start time and memory. Be sure that this is this can be a problem. And in fact, we did tweak our infrastructure to support this, but if we didn't, it would land us in hot water. So it was a good comment to have here. Also, sorry, let me just go back here a little bit. Also, we also used our own code as testing for the pull request reviewer. So our engineers used it. They took a look at the comments to see if they were useful or not. And basically, we dog feed on this, and it was very helpful to us. So just a quick shout out to our engineering team because I'm sure they'll appreciate it and they do deserve it. I had this year open just to talk a little bit about our malicious package feature that uses the OpenSSF database. And we basically inject this into Trivi and use it to check if there are any issues. Just a quick shout out to OpenSSF as well. This is another example. This is Dumber code. It was written by me, so that is expected. We have, for example, insights on the coverage saying that it is below, thank you, Jaime, that is below the quality gates. For example, I was lazy and duplicated an existing class, which the reviewer does say, hey, why are you duplicating this? Why don't you use the existing one and so on? You have this amazing method here to calculate a grade, which I'm sure any engineer in the room will be crying if they look at this. But yeah, basically just to say that we actually can get some interesting insights, such as, hey, this is completely uncovered by tests, as indicated by the coverage report that Codacy has access to. Given its complex branching, do extract into metas, properly test, and so on. Basically, it has insights on how to actually fix this and not just noise, which is what we were trying to do. While I was playing around with this is just the code. Our lovely Claudia, which is one of the designers at Codacy, also created a test application to validate that the reviewer was working. So she basically did a to-do app. She vibe coded it. I will not be showing you the code, but basically it is a simple app that adds to-dos, has the option to delete, and does nothing else for the most part. And then she did what some junior developers are eager to do. So she created a list of what it does. She included what it should do but doesn't on the list. She lies saying she had a test and documentation, need an approve in an hour, please help. So we put this through our Codacy Reviewer, and we actually got some very interesting insights. So, for example, architectural problems that it identifies. It identifies incorrect file references. She used Pompous to do .css instead of to do .css. And we also look at the description. And for example, in here, it complains that we state that we have tests in the description, but we really don't. We say in the description that we have checks and edit, and we also do not have those features implemented. So our pull request reviewer is an attempt of having an extra team member looking at your code and providing the kind of insights that a human would, basically.